Our portal application is a modular application that can be accessed inside of our cloud platform and can also be embedded using an SDK into other master systems such as PLM and MES and LMS. Some examples of embedding the EV portal within master applications are PLM, where we use a connector API to extract 3D model data, tabular data, and image data from PLM. We take the portal application and embed it inside of PLM so interactive documents can be viewed within the context of the PLM application. Other examples of embedding Envision inside a master application are MES. In this example, the authoring is launched from the master MES application, so users with authoring permission can create documents from the context of MES. From there, the resultant document is embedded inside of MES, so it's fully interactive in this pane of glass on the right, side by side with the textual process steps. Another example of an MES integration is this one, where the interactive Envision document is embedded in an iframe in the left-hand side. This is a lightweight integration where HTML content is enabled inside the master system, and we simply embed the EV document inside an iframe element.